الحمد لله كفى وسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى أما بعد قال الله تبارك وتعالى في القرآن المجيد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الرحمن علم القرآن خلق الإنسان علمه البيان وقال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم إن من البيان لسحرا وكما قال عليه الصلاة والسلام. We praise Allah in every way. We praise Allah in every way whose mercy shines by night and day. Together we have come to pray. Together we have come to pray. May blessings crown this noble day. Dear audience, first and foremost, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Allah Almighty, the Lord of the worlds, who has given us this golden opportunity to gather here today in this program. On behalf of Markaz Al-Ma'arif Education and Research Center, I warmly welcome each and every one of you. Thank you for sparing your precious time to join us in this program. And today, my special congratulations go to the fortunate students who qualified for the final round of this second allocution competition. Truly, they are the stars of this afternoon. We said their hard work, dedication, and passion. Dear audience, where we are sitting today, once it was just an ordinary sport. No limelight, no recognition. No one could have imagined that this soul would one day shine as a spring of knowledge. But then came the year 2004, and with the vision of Markaz Al-Ma'arif Education and Research Center, everything changed. My brothers, let me share with you. Markaz Al-Ma'arif Education and Research Center is not just a name, it is the mission. It is a well-known institution that equips ulama with English language skills and modern tools of communication. It was established almost 30 years ago by a visionary leader, Maulana Badruddin Ajmal Al-Qasmi, a scholar, a social worker, a three-time member of parliament, president of Jamiyat Ulama Assam, and a member of All India Muslim Personal Law Board. His dream